Hi guys, so today I'm going to be packing my lunch because I'm going to Botanical Gardens for a school trip. And I'm going to pack my lunch. So I'm going to get started. So I'm packing some sushi right here. And this is my favorite type. One of my favorite types actually. Not the favorite. But I really like this. It tastes so good. But I don't really get enough. Well, it's not my favorite. One of my favorites. So I got 8 sushis. Raw salmon kind. So good. Now we've got some more good stuff. So I need to unpackage this.
You can say the name.
These are dumplings. I need to unpackage them because my mom needs to learn how to make these. Next Chinese New Year, we're gonna make them. Come on. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna ask my mom for help. This is really hard. Okay, actually guys, I opened it with full strength. I love dumplings. So I'm just gonna put some here to save space. Oh, looks like only one of them. Okay, 2 can fit there. Any more? Not this fat one. One of the thin ones. Ah! My dog. Okay, we'll put them here then. We'll put some over here. Like there, yeah. I want the soy sauce, but it's too salty. Now we've got refrigerators. Oh, there's 3 mini packets in here. So I'm gonna try eat one a day maybe or so. Put that one in here. And then let's top it over with some cookies. Now I will record my mom showing her. Mom, don't be shy. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna record her. She's gonna go get me my cookies because I actually hurt my ankle. Look at the cereal, even though I don't eat cereal. Mommy stopped dancing.
Cookie crisp.
Yeah, my mom just said cookie quick.
And these are having, see how nutritious it is.
Oh wait, and
Whole
let's
grain,
respect
ingredient.
the old 1980 stuff. 1989 stuff. That's why I like Nestle
1989?
Crunch.
Oh yeah, good. Source of fiber.
Okay guys, this is a source of fiber. I'm a good fiber fan. Ah, the cookies. Yummy. Put them on top of my refrigerators. I need more.
Enough,
cookies.
it hurts your throat. That's fine.
Cookies.
Enough.
Cookies.
Wait.
Are you still recording? The cookies. I love these, so here you go, Mom. Because I'm a kind man, I give you 2. I love fiber. Oh, mommy, can I pack the
Enough for now. Let's close the lid.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put some of these. Just kidding, I'm not putting these. My mom doesn't allow me. So that's it for my lunch. Maybe I can sneak one. I will tell you how it went, Botanical Gardens, after school. And I think we'll be touching some snakes or something, Cobra Kai's. Oh, and you know me. I love Cobra Kai. Bye.